How to change the time zone in TradingView mobile app 2026 guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in the TradingView mobile app step by step. Let's get started. First, open the TradingView app on your phone. Now go to any chart you're currently using. Step 1. Open Chart Settings. Tap on the gear icon or settings on the chart screen. This will open all chart customization options. Step 2. Go to symbol or time zone settings, depending on your version. Tap on it. Step 3. Change time zone. Now find the time zone option. Tap on it and you'll see a list of different time zones. Select your preferred time zone, for example, UTC, exchange time, or your local time. Step 4 is to apply changes. Once selected, go back. Your chart will automatically update with the new time zone. Important tip: if you don't see the time zone option on mobile, it may be linked to your device time zone or exchange time settings. In that case, you may need to adjust it from the desktop version of TradingView. And that's it. Now you know how to change the time zone in TradingView mobile app easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.